Let's dive into the differences between in, inside, within, and into. First up, in and inside. They're often interchangeable. For example, you can say, "The mouse is in the box," or "The mouse is inside the box." Both mean the same thing, just a slight difference in formality. Now, let's talk about into. This one indicates movement, like in "The cat jumped into the box." It's all about the action of going from outside to inside. Next, we have within. This preposition means inside a limit. For instance, there are 5 malls within 10 miles of here. That's a limit of place, right? You can also use within for time, like she's written 3 books within the last year. And for areas or groups, like disagreements within the government. Here's a tip. Remember that in and inside are often interchangeable, but into and within have specific uses. Keep practicing, and you'll master these prepositions in no time.